Hello everyone. Today our topic is GK Class 5 Chapter 10 Non-Verbal Reasoning Skill. Before starting our chapter, first let's know about what is the difference between verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning skill. So first one is verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning is understanding and reasoning using concepts framed in words. When you are understanding any concept with the use of words, that is called verbal reasoning. Non-verbal reasoning involves the ability to understand and analyze visual information. Visual means the information that is given in pictures, and solve problems using visual reasoning, and then you try to find out the solution and solve the problem. So dear students, what do we do in non-verbal reasoning skill? We first of all identify relationships between the different patterns. We find out the similarities and differences between the shapes and patterns. We recognize visual sequence. What is the sequence given here? Whether it is in clockwise or anti-clockwise. Relationships between objects and remembering them. In each of the following series of patterns, one of them does not fit. Identify and give reasons. Choose the figure which is different from the rest. So first one is, you can see that there are 5 patterns. In all these 5 patterns, all the shapes are square, but one is in circle. One more reason here is, in all the other figures, lower right square portion is shaded. So you can see lower right portion is shaded. This one lower one in all the sequences, but here in circle, the upper part or upper portion is shaded. So it is the odd one and different one. So answer is A. In second picture, you can see that there are 5 patterns, and all the patterns, a circle is divided into 2 halves. 2 circles are here and all the circles are in the same sequence. Now arrows. What is the sequence of arrows? In first pattern, arrow is going downwards, then upwards, downwards, upwards. So sequence is correct. Here also downwards. Now the pattern. What is the sequence? So here it is going moving like this. Here is the arrow in circle. Then this arrow comes here. Now the arrow is coming here. Then here. So arrow is changing the position in anti-clockwise sequence. But if you see in fifth pattern, you will see the arrow is going clockwise. So this is the odd one. So answer is E. Now see the third picture. You can see 5 patterns are here. In first pattern, 2 parts are given here, and this shape has been divided into 2 equal parts. Now in second pattern, this shape has been divided into 4 equal parts. In third shape, this pattern is divided into 4 equal parts. But in deep, you can see that this shape has not been divided into 3 equal parts, but one is not equal to other twos. In E pattern, you can see this shape is divided into 3 equal parts. So which one is odd one? D. So answer is D. Now fourth picture, you can see first A part. There are how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are given here and they have been divided into 4 equal parts. Here if you count them, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are given here, but 1 is half. You can see this one, this is not given the full. So this rule is not being applied here. If I notice here in C, D and E, there are 4 sticks that have been divided into 2 equals. But here in B, it's not so. So the odd one is B. Answer is B. Now in fifth picture, you can see there are 5 arrows. In all the arrows, they are having 5 heads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in B pattern, you can notice there are only 4 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So B is your odd one. Answer is B. Now dear students, let's do chapter 11 class 5 GK Green Warrior. Green Warrior. Dear student, do you know what the warrior means? Warrior means the person or the things that protect us from evil or the danger. So here in this chapter we will talk about the resources and eco-friendly objects that protect us from the bad weather or the waste. First one is natural alternate fuel, collective term for natural vegetation. So this is called peat, P-E-A-T. Second, eco-friendly clothing has antibacterial properties, natural and biodegradable. These clothes are cool and non-sticky. If you wear silk fiber, they are very sticky to us and they are not so cool. They are warm. That's why we wear them in cool weather. But here we are talking about a fiber that is eco-friendly and antibacterial property they are having. They are natural and biodegradable and they are very cool also. So name of the fiber is bamboo fiber. A beneficial drink with health benefits reduces unwanted fat and prevents oral cancer. Name of that drink is green tea. Uses the energy of tides to power turbine to generate electricity. So what is that source with which we can generate electricity? That is tidal energy. Seeds are very useful. Produce biodiesel used in standard automobile diesel engines. What is the name of that seed? Name of that seed is Jetrov. The sun's energy is a resource that can be used all year round. So what is shown in the picture? These are called solar panels. I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.